Hey everybody, hope you guys are having a good one. Here is a second update on the 24-hour group build. It is 11:54 p.m. on the 29th. So we got a little less than 24 hours, but I don't really need it. This one is pretty much done. I don't really care for that metallic color, so I don't know if I'm going to glue everything in, because I might strip the paint and then do it that way. So I might have everything kind of just in place so I can strip it. But this part here is all fine. I don't have to do nothing of that. It's got some gauges in there and not a whole lot of details inside. The bottom, these are actually pretty cool. They're a Honda 4-cylinder motorcycle engine that's on the bottom. So if you actually opened up the hood, it's to the spare tire. But so I did some washes on there, make it look like the pipes are rusting. That's a 4 to 2 to the 1. Very restricted. I gotta double check, make sure I don't need nothing else on this one, but I'm pretty sure it is done. I have to put the license plate things on there. Now I'll just make it so they can pop off in case I do want to change it. I have to put it in the back window. If I just use canopy glue, I could pop them out real easy. Use canopy glue to glue the wipers on and the license plates. That way if I feel like I want to strip it and paint it a different color, I can. But other than that, I just got to put the license plate things, paint the turn signals, put the headlights in, wiper blades, back window, rear license plate, and it's all done. Not much to that kit, not a lot of parts. I'll have to do a little bit of weathering to this. That sits on there just like that. Cool little delivery. There's a decal that goes here. I'm going to just mask it and paint it. That way if I do strip it, I can use the decal later. But I think this is one of the really early K-trucks. So that is that one. And it's funny, it actually sits in the back of this other one. So the wheel turns on that. There's the front. It's still very tacky. Everything's so damn tacky with this paint. That slides in there. But that's how that looks. This needs to be masked off and painted. I'm going to do a black tarp, so that's going to be black because that's like a tarp. It's supposed to match the tarp part. But I'll do black. I think before I call it a day, I'll probably end up filming this. That way I can paint it. I got glue the folded up tarp there. But this just goes on here. Like so. So I might fill that seam. That way I can sand it in the morning, maybe paint it flat black and it'll be just fine. Most of the detail I have to do is on this. I'm hoping that it won't be so damn tacky in the morning, but I'm sure it will be knowing that paint. But I did some weathering in the bed and then on the bottom. And there's the interior. I can glue windows in there. This I'm not going to change the color, so it's going to be just fine. So I can glue the windows in. I don't have to worry about taking stuff apart. But there's that. So everybody's been doing pretty good on their 24-hour or 48-hour builds. And so tomorrow it'll be good to see everybody get it done. And until next time, I'll talk to you then. Bye.